Hello everyone, this is Leo with survival300.com. I am super excited for these three items. So this is going to be a review on the Hoffman Richter line. And the first item I'm going to talk about is the HR-15 Tactical Folding Knife. This is a very heavy blade, so it's very heavy duty, strong, has some weight to it. I like it how it has some weight to it. Has the locking safety feature, so very nice, very nice. Has the titanium coating on it, the glass breaker at the end. Take a look right there. Has some weight to it. Very nice blade, very nice blade. So I showed it to some of my co-workers as well, and they loved the knife. So pretty much all my co-workers have blades on them, some kind of tactical knife in their pocket, in their boot, somewhere. So when they saw this, they liked it. They liked a lot of things about it. The heaviness of it, has some weight to it. So like all the features, the style of it. So it does take a little bit of getting used to, breaking it in, opening and closing it. Sometimes it sticks a little bit, but I think over time it'll get better. So, but very nice knife. You will enjoy it. You will like it. Can't wait to start using it. Very sharp, and you would be very impressed with this knife. Very impressed. So I'm going to leave a link to buy it if you're interested in it. So, and it'll have some more information about the knife. If you have any more questions, I'll respond to those questions as well. But you won't be disappointed with this knife. So it's very nice, very cool. So I like how heavy it is, of course. So next item I'm going to talk about is the HR-100 13-in-1 multi-tool. So maybe one of the bad things about this is that it's heavy. So it's heavy duty and heavy, so if you have this in your pocket or your pants, it will weigh you down. So it seems like the blade's a little bit heavier than this one, but when you're working, I do construction, so on job sites and everything, so it does come with a case, heavy duty case. Now mine, I don't know about all of them, but seems like this strap might come off over time, so it looks like I'm gonna have to get it patched somehow, get it stronger, or probably just gonna have to get it redone sooner or later. But very heavy duty. I like how this one has a wire cutter and the pliers. So definitely going to use this bad boy when I travel, go different places, to the job sites and so on. So has all the features: screwdriver, bottle opener, blade, file. So very nice, comes with a strong case. So, and let's see that. There's the blade. So you see all the features that it has. Feels strong, heavy duty. I like the coating on it. Should last a very long time. So you'd be very impressed. does have some weight to it, so it's going to wear down your pants. Like I said, it comes with the case. Put your belt loop through here. So I do recommend you have just don't keep it in your pocket or your cargo pants. Try to use the case with the belt loop and everything. So, but very nice, very nice. I'm super excited about this one. So I have a couple of these, but this one looks cooler, I will say. This one does look cooler. A lot nicer. Alright, next one. Look at this. Friends were very impressed with this one. So let's see. Get something. Let's see. Straight out the box. Did no sharpening. Very good. So this is the Talon fixed blade tactical knife. So heavy handle, has some weight to it. So and I like blades, of course, with some weight to it. Some makes you feel sturdy and strong, and seems like it could take a beating and keep on going. So I like the style of it. I like the grip, the fit. So and you can tie this to a stick. Use these loops. Put the rope through these loops, and you can use this as a spear. Stick your prey. It's a picture of a wolf. Very nice. I like it. Very strong, sturdy. Has that titanium coating on it. Oh, there we go. I was about to say that. See the 440 stainless? PRC. So made in China. In case you're wondering, these are made in China. There's the Talon. 440 stainless. So has some weight to it. Feels strong. You will like it. I like the style of this blade. I like how the tip of it, the cut, the sharpness. So it comes with two cases. So 2 carrying cases, this one, and it comes with this one as well. This is for your pants and your holder. Let's see, it has a very locks in. So super excited. So when I'm going on camping trips and hiking trips, I will have this with me. Super excited to use it. Carve some things up. So I like this plastic case, very strong. And it comes with this case as well. So a lot lighter compared to the other case. So it's a button to lock it. Let's see. See how this works. First time doing this one. There we go. See how easy this is. See how it snaps in. Gotta get it just right. It looks not the easiest thing, but it fits. It's nice. Heavy duty. Alright. I'm going to leave the information in the bio, the link. And if I think of anything else, I'll comment below. But you will like it. Very impressed with it. So Alright, this is Leo. So like I said, these items on survival300.com, so I'll leave links underneath. Thank you.